Hello and welcome back. Guys, we have got a great show right now on crappie fishing with that rig. The rig video, I'll put a link for it somewhere around right here, and I'll give you a link at the end of the video as well, back to that first video on how to tie this rig we're using. We had a heck of a day catching crappie. We caught a ton of them. I'm going to show you most of the action, how we fished the rig. You're going to get a good idea and see everything we went through. We caught 28 nice keeper fat slab crappies. We're going to get right to it. You're going to love this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll get right to it.
There he is.
Oh, you got one? All right. Way to make the noise.
Fish.
You get one? What are you doing? Uh-oh. I'm getting killed over here.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. That's a beast.
It's alright. This is the small fish we catch.
That's nice. I like that. In the cooler.
Still
going? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
There we go.
There you go. Get him, son. All right. That's a nice one too. Hey, wait a minute here. The other one's going. I got that one. Oh, goody.
That's a good spicy one too.
Yep, that's a feisty, spicy. Success. What the hell? Got it. Look out, man. Here it comes, man.
Hey, Dad, your other one's down.
What do you want me to do about it, man?
I don't know. Give him here or something.
Here, land this one so I can get the other one.
I got this one. Go. It's gone, man. It's gone. It's real. There you go. You pulled out just as I said. What'd I say?
Dang.
What'd I say? Oh,
look at that.
I watched him hit. That was crazy.
That was crazy.
He hit right here.
Good, pull him up. I saw it too. That was cool.
I was like, you still have a minnow.
Right on. Got him. The other one's down. I lost this one. I ain't lose this one. It's feisty. Feisty boy. Come here, feisty. Come here, feisty boy. Whoop. Smile. Hee hee. Nice one. I got this one. Still doing it. Must be that minnow you threw in there. Bass has got him.
You know what I bet it is? I bet it's that fish with that string or that.
Oh, I see it. There he is. Ooh, feisty. Another nice one. There it goes. Oh, nice one. On the jig. That's right. Yeah. Need to ice those things right.
Yeah, make sure your ISO's probably or you're not getting it.
Oh, look. Reeling it in. Reeling it in.
Got me.
Woo! Feisty. Come here, baby. He hit on the jig, Darren.
He did?
While I was bringing it in, yeah.
That's a very good one, too.
Fish.
I'm going for a business.
That's a good one. All right. That's a nice one on the jig. You should fix that. Hey, 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 stop.
We're using a slab stacker, and there's the bobber.
I just did. Uh-oh, hey, something messing over here.
What?
A bobber. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's there. I got he.
On that?
Oh, that's a good one.
That's pretty good.
That's a good one. Just line him in. Just hand line him in. I got him.
Oh, someone's listening over here, though.
Oh, there we go, baby.
Well, bass.
Doubled up.
Yeah, look at the bass. Let me pull next to each other.
There you go.
Want the bass?
No. Put him back.
Well, if he's hungry, can I put him here?
Still there.
There you go. I'm there. Now you might get him. You got him that time.
I got him that time. I got you, son.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Yeah, come here, baby. Won't you spit the hook? Woohoo! Fish taco. Yum. Hold on, look. That was funny. That's a good one. Don't be flipping my eye, you son of a... Boo. Iced tea. Iced tea. Yep. I got her. Thank you very much. You're good. You're good. What do you have? That's better than the drive-through. Look at all them fishes. Hold that string up. Good grief, there's a dozen on there if there's one. Sweet.
That's right.
So that was it. And thank you for sticking with me. If you watched the whole video, that was a lot of fish catching. We didn't go fishing, we went catching, as Evan says. Me and Ev had a great time, caught a lot of fish. We used the Crappie rig from the video. I'll put the link right here on how to tie that rig. It just really kills the crappie. You're going to love it. Thank you again for sticking around for this longer than average video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button up there. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.